Hi, my name is Aditya. I am from Andhra Pradesh, from Nellore district. Recently, I graduated in the stream of Computer Science Engineering from RMK Engineering College with the CGPA of 8.01. Once I have graduated, I have joined the Qspiders Institute in the month of May. I have chosen a testing course where the subjects included are manual testing, automation with the help of the Selenium tool, and SQL and the Go Java. The trainers were to support you and help you a lot. At the beginning stage, I used to suffer to learn this subject. The trainers helped me a lot, and they stand and support you, which helped me a lot to get this job. The HRs are also to support you. They used to add in all the requirements which I was eligible, and they used to conduct the groomings, which helped me a lot how to answer the questions in the interviews. They used to conduct which helped me a lot. Thank you.